So go ahead and sit back in your chair. Start to focus in on a little bit of our deep breathing. Get our mind and body set for the rest of class. So in your respective chair, in your respective position, you can start to slow the pace of your thoughts, slow the pace of your mind, and just focus on breathing deeply through your belly. Making sure that breath does not come from your chest, but rather deep within your belly. Trying to push that belly button out as you inhale and allow that belly button to come gently back into your body as you exhale. Letting that breath flow naturally and letting that breath come in and out of your body as easily as it can. You are not stressing over it, nor are you stressing over thoughts and worries outside of class. Because right now, for you, this is your time. This is your time to breathe, your time to relax, and your time to regain some inner peace. Let's take a few breaths together as a class. Start with a gentle inhale in, holding for a second at the top, and then relaxing that breath all the way out into the world. Gently, let's do another one. Breathe in, holding for a second, and relaxing that breath all the way out once again. One more breath together. Ease that breath in. Feel the energy it gives you. Let it fill your body with life. And then gently exhale out all the stresses. Exhale out all the worries. And simply be okay with being present. Be okay knowing that right now, this is your time. We don't need to think about all the activities, all the stresses outside of our class, because right now, this is all that matters. Right now, some time to regain your mental strength and mental energy is all that matters. Let's take our final breath in this initial meditation. Gently breathe in and then slowly exhale out. As you exhale out, feel free to open your eyes to the center of class.